The anti-fog's already wore off.
Unless the game started like 10 minutes ago.
And we're just like, oh!
Pass this bit, Luke, pass this bit. Oh, it's nice in here, isn't it? Got one. There's one more here.
Okay.
On objective, the actual. Got one.
Watch that right side.
Lou, right side, right side. Lou, I'm gonna fall back a little bit.
Watch out, because they're all down there.
They're all down here.
Yeah, down there.
There's one on the objective with Louis.
With Louis?
With Louis.
Look, we got friendlies pushing off the side too thin.
Careful, I'm getting shot at on this left, I know where it's from.
Oh shit!
There's one on the objective up there.
Watch the prison, there's a guy fucking bobbing and weaving.
There's one straight. Wait, whereabouts is the guy you're seeing? In that doorway.
Louis down.
Oh, red container, far back. There's a doorway in the red container straight on.
Far left?
Yeah, straight on here. Are you seeing where I'm getting shot from there, Eryn?
Oh wait, I can see his head's popping up, yeah.
Right, straight on that way.
Yeah.
Red container. In the red container shooting at us.
Yeah, there's one behind the concrete as well.
Straight on in prison here.
Perfect.
Thank you.
Hello. You alright?
Any location? Range?
Right, so there's one in this far doorway here. There's one literally straight on here, and then there's one in the red container at the far back.
I'm worried they're gonna approach from back there.
I know.
From tin, round that side.
Red container at the far back. Rounds from right, rounds from right.
All the way over there, they're friendly.
Red container.
Yeah, I'm looking at a red container.
They've been shooting us the entire time.
Ah! Well, there's friendlies like in between there.
There's friendlies who've just got there.
Oh.
But I've been getting shot at from the doorway of the red container this entire time. So if they've been friendly, they've been...
Friendlies are colourblind or...
I think the ones you're seeing are friendlies who've just pushed up. I feel like we should move because this is just...
Where to?
We're falling back into the trap of stand around, so I think we push right there, get a view across.
But they are there though.
Okay.
And they are here.
We have a
They've
lot
also-
of friendlies in prison though.
Yeah, that's a friendly thing. So I'd say we just cover just ahead, maybe make a
Oh, is that some... Oh, that's an enemy.
We got some board there.
Yep.
Your man should be dead.
Awesome.
There's one of them who we got. But
Oh, lovely. Thank you very much. Blue jumper. Objective. Reloading. Hello, you're not
Oh, yeah.
Louis.
I know, I'm not.
On the objective! Uh-oh.
No!
If we go up, we get a visual on tin, they can't push to the right easily.
Enemies in tin, but I think they're hit and retreating.
Roger. Right, in tin. Where do you want us to go then?
Push up if you want, and we can just get everyone from the top.
Depends, can you keep us covered if we go up through tin?
Yeah, can do.
I'm holding you to this.
We're just moving up.
Can you see anything with that corner?
Yeah, enemies there.
Can you hit him?
Can't tell if he's hit or not.
What's it like, Eryn? Because we've got a lot of contact.
I'm just trying to assess. I think they're all in the corner, which I can't see.
Okay, well we're held back at the moment.
You might be clear to move up.
Might be. That's helpful, isn't it, Lou?
Yeah, I'm suppressing the corner.
We can go off the side. Any movement?
Not in this bush, no.
Just pressing the corner.
You want me next cover? Oh shit, who's that? Oh, we've got friendlies straight on, be careful. Eryn, you got any eyes on right?
I can't see that far back. I'm looking at the corner of tin.
Do you see anyone in the corner of tin? Because someone's shooting someone.
We've got a friendly in tin now. He's in the corner. Okay, we're getting shot at from the entrance to tin by the bridge. Come up here, Lou. Hiya.
Friendlies are saying on the bridge.
Can you see on the bridge?
Yeah, it looks pretty clear on the bridge.
Teammates saying it's clear on the bridge. Aha.
One on this right, one on this right. Eryn, can you cover me so I can fall back?
Where are you?
I'm on the right. There's one in the corner. Right, I'm pushing back. Hi guys, sorry, there's one at the very back in the corner.
Oh,
I'm alive. I ran away.
I'm not meant for that.
No, I don't.
Josh, can you spray them with that?
There's one he's in the corner, he's gone to the left a little bit.